today?
My Goo Jit ZU collection.
And you're gonna unbox
Blazagon.
Blazagon! He's the good guy and he's the leader of the good guys, isn't he?
Yeah.
Okay, but what else have we got here?
Both of these are super stretchy. This one is super mushy. This one's super oozy.
These two are super crunchy. And this one is
Super sandy.
that's very unusual, isn't
He's
it?
made of sand.
Which one are you gonna show us first, Bruce?
Scorpius.
Scorpius! And he is?
A scorpion. Super oozy.
Oh, what's that mean?
It means this.
Wow, he oozes in all different parts of his body.
Yeah. There's a stinger to sting things.
Ooh, he's lethal. So is he good or bad?
Bad.
Some reviewers say these toys leak, and we have found that for some of them the colors do come off a little bit and there is a bit of leaking, but my son Bruce can still play with them. So that's our review. Okay, who's next? What about this guy? Is he bad too?
Good.
His name is
Pantaro.
What animal is he?
A cat.
And what's his special power?
Super mushy.
Oh, so he's kind of like Oozy as well, but not as Oozy as Scorpius. Pantaro looks so cool though, look at him. He's quite a cool character in the cartoon.
He looks like a kung fu master.
Some of the colors are coming off a little bit as well.
Like
so
the black on his hand.
that's right. Okay, who's next?
Simian.
And Thrash, they both are.
Super stretchy. Wow. Wow.
Ooh! Let's try it with Thrash. Whoa! What a shark!
I'm a stretchy shark. Ain't no how to swim. I do not know if Simian's bad or good.
But Thrash is?
Good.
Yes, let us know in the comments below if you know if Simian's good or bad.
Can we unbox this now, Mommy?
Yes, he's the leader of the goodies. Let's open him.
Blazagon.
Blazagon. Heroes of GOO JIT ZU is the ultimate battle of Goo versus evil. Haha, very funny. Take on the enemy and feel their inner power. Blazagon. Born leader, when things heat up, Blazagon knows how to take control. He uses his smarts before he uses his fists. That is until he loses it. Then that level head of his blows his top and he erupts into action, unleashing his inner power on his target. Here are the 13 action figures with unique goo fillings. Mantor, Scenario, Thrash, the Shark, Simian, the Monkey, Scorpius, Wolfpain the Wolf, Roller the Bear, Pantaro, the Panther, Silverback, Gorilla, Tigor the Tiger, Blazagon, and Grablog the Octopus. There's also a rare one called...
Let's strike the Yeti.
That's right, and we're still looking out for that. If you have that, let us know in the comments.
It stretches up to 3 times its size.
Wow, and it's super gooey, and its Goo Power is Lava Slam. Should we unbox it?
Yeah!
Wow!
Wow!
Hello, Blazagon!
Hello! Wow, loads of bubbles!
Oh, he's gooey but with bubbles. He's really different from the rest, isn't he?
Yeah, and the bubbles will look like a honeycomb.
Honeycomb. Wow, look at that.
So big. Wait, what's this? A lollipop!
Can you see that?
A lollipop!
Wow! So the 4 you've shown us, which one has candy in it?
This one.
Simian? What candy
Here's
did you find?
Donut!
Do any of these have candy in them?
Yes, this one has a red Coca-Cola bottle right there.
And who's this?
Rockjaw!
What's this super Goo Power?
Crunchy.
He's crunchy. Oh, he's like made of rocks in there.
Yeah, but they look like teeth, don't they? Oh, there's the bottle again. He's bad though.
Yeah, he's the leader of the baddies, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, who's this one then?
He is Silverback.
That's right, Silverback Gorilla. And he's also super crunchy.
Yeah, a chocolate bar.
Awesome. Do they feel the same?
Yeah, because they're both super crunchy. Yeah.
What's his name? Oh, I love his face. Look at that.
His name is Mantor.
Yes, we think he's a praying mantis.
And he's a kung fu master.
What's his super Goo Power?
And he can stand.
Oh, so he's very hard-packed with sand.
Yeah, look. So many green sand.
He's a tough one, isn't he?
Yeah.
Look at that face. His angry eyes and his crazy teeth.
A candy cane.
Wow, it is! Very nice and quite Christmassy as well. We bought this from Smith's in store. It's not on the website yet.
These are the goodies and these are the baddies.
Baddies are
Simian, Silverback, Rockjaw, Scorpius.
and the leader of the baddies are?
Crocodile.
That's right. And the goodies are?
Thrash, Pantaro, Mantor,
And the leader is?
Blazagon.
Yes! And there's also huge Blazagon. That's so
Yeah.
cool that's being sold at the
And
moment.
huge Blazagon is called Super Goo Blazagon.
Why do you love the Goo Jit Zu toys, Bruce?
Because they're not normal action figures.
Yeah, you can really mess with them, can't you?
Yeah, and even some could glow in the dark even some.
Which one is glow in the dark?
He is. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.
Thank you, Bruce. Bye.
Bye. Bye everyone for watching my videos.